Okay, Chapter 1, Section 1-3, work together. On page 15 of your book is the balance sheet. You're to prepare a balance sheet dated October 31st for Hess Company, and they give you all of their account information. So we're going to start the top of the balance sheet with the name of the company. The name of the document goes on the second line. Whoops, balance. How about balance sheet? And on the third line is the date it was prepared. So in this case, it's October 31. 2021 hasn't happened yet, so let's do 2020. All right, on the left side of the balance sheet, we list assets. Assets, we label the word assets, and then we list the assets. And we have cash, supplies, and prepaid insurance.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Just a reminder to seniors, if you have your diploma.
Sorry about that interruption. So we have our assets, and then underneath assets, we're going to put total assets, and we'll put our total. And this column is where the money or the amount goes. $2,400 for cash. Supplies is $300, and prepaid insurance is $600. So we want to total those. I can make up in the top right corner. There's an auto sum button, and you cannot see that. Oh, I can't make my screen bigger. All right. Well, you can add them up, or you can type. Try the auto sum feature. Next, on the right side are liabilities. We have one, accounts payable, Hullet Company. Their balance is $250. Then we have owner's equity. And we have Jim Hess Capital. Jim Hess Capital is valued at $3,050. So on this line we have total liabilities and owner's equity. And guess what? $3,300. What do you notice about this side? That's the same as the other side. It's the same. They're in balance. And this you need a double underline under. Double underline is up at the top under where like you choose your font size. You can see you have different choices for underlines, and we learned is single underline and then double underline under total. So you have your total $3,300 on each side. Balance sheet is always in balance. That's why it's called a balance sheet. All right, try the on your own tab at the bottom.